Alright, for those people that's wanting to know what's inside of a transmission range control module, this one here is off of a 2018 Ford Fusion. Also, same thing with the 15 and newer Lincoln MKZs. So I was just kind of curious. I had just an extra module laying around. Decided to pop off the back covers. You got a couple, about six bolts, I believe they are. It is a T20. You got all these here on where the bolts go at, and I just pulled the whole cover off. Be careful if you do take yours apart. You do have a little rubber gasket. When you do to go put it back in place, make sure this gasket is back where it needs to go, so it'll make a nice tight seal so water don't get into here. It's interesting how they make these things. Every little microchip and all that other doodads that they put into it. I'm not for sure exactly what these are for. This is as far as I'm going to go on taking it apart. I'll flip it over. See if I can get it at a good angle. One thing I thought that was kind of neat is I can actually turn this guy here by hand. See if I can get you. That's just moving it by hand. What turns, let's see if I can, I know so much movement. There's this gear here, there's a plastic gear. Right behind it is a metal gear that helps turn it, I guess. I don't know if this plastic gear maybe tells where it actually is in, if it's in park, reverse, neutral, or whatnot onto it. That's pretty much all. I just figured I'd make a little video showing what's inside of one of these, just in case anybody else is curious, just like I was.